Hey everyone, my name is Jethro and I believe that everyone can draw. To draw with me today, you'll need a pen. I like to use this nice chunky felt pen, but you can use whatever kind of pen you like. You'll also need some spots. Now, you can draw or paint these yourself with watercolour or pencil or crayon, or if you want to download this and print it off, there's a link in the description below. Today, we're going to have a go at drawing lions and tigers and bears. Grr, I'm a lion. Grr. I don't have any stripes. I don't have any stripes. I can't be a tiger if I don't have any stripes. Grr. Need little ears. Is this what bears do? I don't know what bears do. We're going to draw lions and tigers and bears, so I've got 3 different spots here, and we'll draw a different one on each spot. So let's get started with this one. Let's start with the lion, the humble lion. Here we go. Our lion needs eyes, so let's give him 2 little eyes. Now, a lion also needs a nose, but what kind of nose does a lion have? Well, it's a bit like, if you remember, the nose that we gave a cat, I reckon, from the previous cat video. I reckon we could do that kind of nose, because lions are, after all, big cats. So, little upside down triangle nose. I'm not gonna do a normal cat mouth. I'm gonna give our lion a big, happy, smiley mouth so that we can show off some nice teeth. Now, what makes a lion a lion? Well, I think it's the mane. Now, I could do the mane with the pen, but I love doing lion manes with a crayon. I've got a nice orange crayon here. And just like doing hair, I think doing the lion's mane is one of my favourite bits, because you can just go a bit crazy, really. Let's just put lots and lots of lion mane fur. Well, this would be a stereotypical male lion. Female lions don't have a mane that looks quite like this. So it depends which lion you're drawing. But my lion that I'm drawing here has a mane, and then they have little ears, and they kind of poke out just out of the mane, like so. Now our lion needs a body. I'm going to do my lion sitting down, much like I did the cats as well. Lots of the body is kind of covered by the mane, so I'll just draw a little bit of the body there and there, and then it needs some front paws, and then a back leg, and then our lion, of course, needs a nice tail. Now, lion tails actually have a little tufty bit at the end, I think. I seem to remember. Hey, one lion. I think he's fantastic. Let's set him aside for now, because we need to draw... I'll leave him there. We need to draw our... Put him on side. Our tiger. Now, what makes a tiger a tiger? Well, do tigers have eyes? Yes, they do. Do tigers have noses? Yes, they do. Do they have people noses? No, they have big cat noses. Let's do another big cat nose. Little triangle bit there. And another mouth with some teeth. Do tigers have ears? Yes, they do. Do they have ears like us on the side? No, they're on the top. Do a little ear there and there. Now, what else makes a tiger a tiger? Do tigers have bodies? Yes. Let's give them the same sitting down body. A front paw, and another front paw, and then a back leg. And then our tiger's going to have a tail. Now, our tiger doesn't really look like a tiger yet, does he? No. Our tiger needs stripes. So, I'm going to grab... I'm just trying to find a crayon. A black crayon. And we're going to give our tiger some tiger stripes on its face. Kind of comes across like that, and on his body as well, and on the tail. Now, what colour are tigers wherever the stripes aren't? They are orange often, unless you're doing a white tiger, in which case you could leave it. Some of them got white fluffy belly, so I won't colour in all of his belly. And maybe make his ears orange as well. I'm just going to make the top of his ears a little bit tuftier. Like that. One tiger. One happy little tiger. Lastly, we need a bear. Let's have our bear. Well, do bears have eyes? Yes, they do. Do bears have noses? Yes, they do. Do they have cat noses? No. Do they have person noses? No. Bears' noses look maybe a little bit like that. Kind of. There we go. Our bear, is he going to be a friendly bear? Yes, he is, which means he gets a nice big smile. Now our bear needs some ears. Similar in a way to the tiger ears, you know. And then our bear needs a body. And he needs some, my bear is going to be standing up. He needs some legs. And some big old bear paws. Now, bears are often fluffy, aren't they? So let's take this crown. This is a very special crown. It's brown and it's been broken off. Ah well, just use this end. Let's make him fluffy. Cover him with fur. And give him lots of fur around here. Around his head. Yeah, I think it's alright. He's alright, just needs some little teeth. Now, our last step, I think, is to cut them out. So, as always, we'll need some scissors. Now, I've got possibly the biggest scissors I could find. You do not need the biggest scissors you can find. If you're not an adult, you might need an adult's help with this bit. And if you are an adult, then you might still need help. And that's okay. I sometimes need help. Be very careful. Just leave lots of extra white space. There's our bear. And our tiger. Let's just leave lots of white space. Try and get it as smooth as we can. One tiger, and then our lion. Now, if you remember from the dragon episode, I kind of made a little background, so I'm going to get that. Did some grass on a tree. There's our lion. There's our tiger. There's our bear. That's fun. Yay! Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I think we did some amazing things. I'd love to see what you've drawn. You can send them to me by email, hello@jethrowilson.com, or at Instagram @JethroWilson. What would you like to learn to draw? Let me know in the comments or on Instagram, and we'll make a video about it.